August 9, 2018, 7:10 IST, Sneha Kharabe and Suyash Karangutkar. Mohammed Anwar was administered stitches after the ceiling fan crashed on him and tore his nose. Pics, Sneha Kharabe. 4 months back, when Mohammed Anwar arrived in the city from his village in Bihar, his dream was to earn a living for his family back home. He didn't know he would brush death so soon into his stay in the maximum city. The 25-year-old had a lucky escape as he had returned home for lunch and a nap when the incident at the refinery took place. But because his room in Karangutkar is adjacent to the plant, he couldn't escape completely. When the blast occurred, before he even had time to react or move, the ceiling fan in his room crashed on him, tearing his nose and bruising his face. A neighbor said, he stays with his roommates, but they were on duty when the incident happened. We had just returned when he saw him lying in blood. He was conscious and responding but in shock. Medical stores en route had shut after the incident, and there was not a single vehicle in sight, recalled his friend Anil Motto, 38. Fortunately, near the entrance of our padda, we found a police van. They saw us carrying him and helped us into a vehicle for the hospital. Anwar was rushed to a nursing home at Vashanaka, administered stitches and discharged in the evening. Also read, Mahu boiler blast, 1 critical, 43 hurt. Catch up on all the latest Mumbai news, crime news, current affairs, and also a complete guide on Mumbai from food to things to do and events across the city here. Also download the new Midday Android and iOS apps to get latest updates. Shocking, 80-year-old man arrested on suspicion of raping a cow-related news. 3 Mumbai residents arrested in Kolkata ATM fraud case. August 9, 2018, 8:25 IST. August 9, 2018, 8 o'clock IST. Soha Ali Khan with daughter and Avad. Safes home in Bandra. August 9, 2018, 7:43 IST. Pariniti Chopra slays it in her new hairdo. August 9, 2018, 7:41 IST. Mumbai, Charkop MLA forgets email password. Cops register for August 9, 2018, 7:29 IST. Maratha band called off in Mumbai and Thane. August 9, 2018, 7:25 IST.